Hi, welcome to Hari Systems. In this session, we will learn global variables, super globals. In PHP 4.1.0, the version, these features are built-in variables that are always available in all scopes of the programming. Several predefined variables are in PHP are super globals. That means always accessible regardless of the scope and where you want to perform an access or from any function, class or file without having to do anything specials. That's all. These are the global variables, the declarations and all the things. Step by step we will see in this. See here, I want to show you a demonstration of few globals. Super global variables are with the starts with the $sign symbol, globals underscore server underscore request underscore post underscore get files env cookie and session. These all are you need to familiar when you want to learn advanced PHP programming and handling with the situations between the client and server environment, the transmitting the data from the client and server base. These all are plays a key roles with their respective that functionalities. Hence they have specified these all are global variables and these can be used from wherever it required and they have defined. Okay, now we will see one by one the globals and the server side underscore server. We will see here few of here I have given you for the demonstration purpose. These underscore server, if we've written, these all are majorly will execute on server side itself only and it will be used wherever to know the PHP self, about the self in the sense here for declaration written the file name or the currently executing the script where it is executing the current path, it will shows the address of that particular path. And underscore server, and here it's saying that server name it's specifying there, returns the host name. What is the host name your server is having, the host name it will returns. If it is a local machine, it will shows that local host. If it is the server underscore addr, the server underscore addr, in the sense it will replace replies that particular parameter server address. It's nothing but IP address of that particular server. Okay, and the similarly HTTP post, which is the method is going on, and user agent script name, that all you will let you know on advanced programming. See here I am executing, some of will execute, some will not execute. That is the purely will works on server and it should be enable that particular feature too. Okay, here see the identification of the path, it's showing first one, and second one IP address is not came, only one it's showing, and the third one the name of the server here, this is the host, HTTP host, that is the local host it's printing here, like so on. You will identify a good result for that server based on that underscore server and HTTP that request. And next one is on request. This is the very important on to handling the request from the client side. How the method you are writing that request is very much pretty important. While client is submitting something, that value from the form, and on server side you are receiving that request, whether it may be is an a post method or get method, you have to identify it that based on the request or something that value which is matching where you are given a request identity. to handling the request and do such a works. Okay, once we start the forms and advanced programming, we will clearly discuss about elaborately with these things. And post underscore post, it's a method for writing collection to collect the form data after submitting an HTML with the method of using POST. Also widely used to post and pass the variables from the form, one form to another form. Okay, for that purpose we will use the method of post method. And get can also use to collect the form data after submitting of an HTML form with the using of the method name as get, and it will pass the parameter values to another form or another request. The same thing. And there is some differentiations are there with by using this post method and get method. We will clearly discuss about on working on with the forms and where its requirement of the usage occurs in the post and get methods. And files, environment, cookie, the cookies will you will identify and observe that nowadays some of the any of the site, if it is open or you accept this cookie, you want to click OK. That is a nowadays security feature. It's have raised for Google Chrome and all. The cookie, what is the cookie and all the things will explain you soon. And session, there is a session timings are there, and many of the future parameters, the properties are there for session, the usage of the session, creation of the session, usage of the session, and termination of the session, and session timeouts. And if you want to know more about the session, I will give you one example for it. Any of the banking sites or any of the particular session maintaining sites, if may log in and you are waiting for some time, it will shows that session timeout. Click here to redirect to home page or re-login again to enter that particular site. That is the session. It's a session, it's nothing but a period of time and with the secure zone. That session will give you a good future and facility in the programming languages. That facility is also available PHP. All will you know that advanced programming. Please subscribe and avail all these videos from Hari Systems. I hope you better understand with this about the global variables, super globals, what we have discussed, predefined functionalities of the PHP programming language. And avail all this. Like, share, comment any of your views regarding this PHP language. We will have a brief discussion if any of clarifications. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.